Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your code limit has been reached on Apple Music. So as if you are trying to get a free trial for your Apple Music and you are facing this problem and you are unable to get a free trial on your Apple Music in your Apple ID, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you get a free trial for your Apple Music in your iPhone. So for that, simply watch this video till the end. So I'll first of all go back to your home screen, and from here you have to simply open settings in your device, and from here tap on your profile, and from here you have to simply tap on sign in and security and wait for some seconds. From here from here tap on change password and wait again for some seconds here. So enter your passcode for your iPhone from here. So guys, from here you have to simply change the password for your Apple ID for one time, and after this go back, and from here you have to simply scroll it below and sign out your Apple ID in your iPhone for one time. So I simply sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone for one time, and after this you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So I simply press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, force restart the device, and after this you have to turn it on, and after this you have to open settings in your device, and you have to simply sign in your Apple ID again in your iPhone. So after this you have to simply go back to your Apple Music, and now you will be able to get a free trial for your Apple Music very easily. So guys, in this way you can easily fix this problem and you can easily get a free trial for your iPhone in your Apple Music. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.